Well, IBM has been a staple in many portfolios for decades. You could call it one of the original disruptors, but more recently, it has struggled to keep up and turn itself around. Its shares have lost more than a quarter of their value over the past 5 years. But at a conference in Las Vegas, IBM sees its future powered by new technologies. Deirdre Bosa has more.
At IBM's annual Think Conference, the company's biggest customers and partners are here in Las Vegas to hear about Big Blue's future strategy. We were able to sit down with IBM CEO Ginni Rometty to hear about her turnaround plans to shift the company towards next generation technologies like blockchain and artificial intelligence as its legacy business slows.
It's a different company than 10 years ago, 5 years ago, 3 years ago. And so break out the pieces. For one, the new products and services. And we did return to growth starting in the fourth quarter, as you saw there. And the point being, 46% of what we make today, our products and services, are growing at 11% and are new to the IBM company. And a strong pipeline behind it. Blockchain, quantum, strong pipeline built.
In light of recent pressures on Facebook in terms of privacy and security, data responsibility was a big topic here at Think. Box CEO and founder Aaron Levie talked about the need for updated regulations as tech and innovation plays a bigger role in consumers' lives.
We've had a tremendous amount of technology innovation that is now starting to really impact every single element of our lives. And this is what we've seen from the digital revolution. It's changing our cars and transportation. It's changing life sciences and healthcare. It's changing voting and the democracy. And for quite some time, we've treated these technology platforms as sort of utilities that all of the users are the ones liable on these platforms. But ultimately, as you see growing use cases for machine learning and AI, the platforms themselves are going to be making more decisions on behalf of us, which means we have to make sure that the decisions that these platforms are making are those that protect consumers, that keep us safe, that keep our information private, keep us secure.
David Mackay, CEO of RBC, joined Ginni Rometty on stage for the conference keynote. As chief of Canada's largest bank, he's here to discuss the importance of new technologies into his business. And he also knows a thing or two about winning consumers' trust and the importance of privacy.
There is a lot of brand risk, absolutely. I think you're seeing markets react to that uncertainty in the last couple of days. But certainly if you want to create value for a customer and manage that data, and if you breach that trust, others will take that place and do that on behalf of the customer in a better way. And I think it does create franchise risk over the short and long term.
From tech companies to banks and more, IBM's Think Conference this year looked at a future where data and privacy take center stage. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Deirdre Bosa, Las Vegas.